Hello friends and welcome to CloudFronts YouTube channel. This is the second part of our previous video of how to create quick DAX templates in Power BI. In the earlier video, we learned how to use quick DAX templates in Power BI, and in this one, you'll learn how to create your own quick DAX templates. So let's begin. To create your own DAX template, you must navigate to dax.powerbi.tips, and over here you can see the form for creating your own DAX template. Enter the template name. Let's say a simple sum is what we want to name a template. Add a description. What does this template do? It creates sum on top of a numerical column. Let me just edit it. Add the parameter name. So the parameter which you want to pass in your DAX template. Let's name it as table column and put it as the parameter name. Now the default value set by parameter. If you want your parameter to have any default value, you can specify it over here. Else simply specify the description for the parameter and say creates sum of a column. You can specify the data type of the column. Let's keep it as number. The parameter input selection. It is a table column that we want the users to select. If you want to add any extra parameters, you can add it from the button over here. Now moving towards encoding part, enter the name for the object. Let's say sum of column formula. Here you have to enter the DAX expression. So sum of and the parameter will come. So you can see the DAX parameters that you have specified, and we have declared this parameter already. So let me pick this and put it over here. So you can see the DAX expression as formed over here. Now enter the description for the measure. Again, it creates sum a column. Enter the folder to place the measure in, or we can leave it as blank. Hide the measure by default, no. Quick formatting options, we can keep it as general for now. Use parentheses for negative values, no. Use thousand separators, yes. And some tags if you want to add. Now we can add it as totals because it is sum. Authors, you can specify the author name. Here I'm specifying my name. Instructions, what instructions you must give the user in order to use the DAX template that you create. So we can specify select a table column, support URLs. If you have any more elaborate documentation regarding to the DAX template, you can provide the URL as well. Once your template is created, you can hit download file to download the DAX template. Once the template is downloaded, you can simply drag and drop it over here. Let's say overwrite, and you can rename the measure name to, let's say, sum of sales. You can select the table column. Let's select sales and hit generate. We can check the measure over here and hit create and update. Select the table to which you want to add this measure. I have selected financials and it has notified that the measure has been updated in the financials table. So let's check the financials table. So the financials table has the new measure sum of sales, and you can use this measure in your Power BI report. So That's how easily you can create your own DAX templates for Power BI. And you can create these templates and share with others and hence reuse your DAX measures, which is going to save a lot of efforts of you and your colleagues to create reports. I hope this video was useful for you and thank you so much for your time. See you soon. Thank you.